Hey you guys, it's your girl J to the O-D-Y. It's that Flava baby. Yes. And I'm back with another video. Yes, you guys. So it's another day. Actually, it's another night. You guys, I literally got home today and I just chilled. Like, I was in and out of sleep. I ate obviously as soon as I got home. And then yeah, I'm up now. It's crazy. I was so tired. So tired. So anyways, I am actually about to, I was just watching a vlog. I think I've watched this girl's vlogs, like maybe this is the second or third one I've watched. She's doing Vlogmas already. I don't remember her name right now, but yeah. So I am about to put on the okay, no, I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm about to put on the wig. Yes, period. I was like, yeah, I want it on like now. Yeah, so yeah, I'm all set up to do that. So that's what I'm about to do, guys. I'm just gonna go and grab me a water from the car first because I am thirsty as hell. Does anyone else do that in the winter? I leave my case of water in the car because I'm like, bum. Like, I obviously have some in the house, but I just don't have right now. But yeah, so that they're cold all the time and refreshing. That's the best part of winter to me, when you get to leave a case of cold water in the car and you know, like, you're refreshed, period, at any time. So I'll be right back and we'll get into putting on this wig. Not this wig, the other wig. Okay. So let me show you guys the wig first. Show you guys the wig. So just to recap, let me do this the best I can. Here is the box. This is a Unice unit. It's from Unice. I'll put the link for the website in the bio. So Unice always sends us some little gifts. So we have a wig cap, which I'm about to use right now. We have a melt band, which I'm most likely going to use right now. We got some lashes, which I'm most likely going to use eventually. And I like these lashes, by the way, because they're big and, you know, they're kind of cute and glamorous, you know. And then they gave us this other thing here, which is so cute. It says Unice on it. And it's actually, oh, wrong way, not funny. So it's actually a brush. Oh, so it's supposed to be like that. Sorry, guys. Oh, so I did do it right. No, I didn't. This is not going well, girl. Okay. There we go. Can you try to be cute, you guys? Like, what? But yeah, it's a brush, so it's really cute. And yeah, so thank you, Unice, for those little gifts. So this is the wig. This is my unit. Oh my god. This is the hair. It's a 13 by 4, I think, unless it's a, pretty sure it's a 13 by 4 frontal. Let me check on that, because what we're not going to do. Let's see. God, please make me be signed in, because I cannot. I don't know why it's not showing me the wig. That's jokes. I think it's not there anymore. Wow, the way that they don't put it on there. Okay, period. Okay, so should we do this again? Okay. So this is a honey blonde balayage highlights water wave lace front wig. It's 13 by 4 frontal, 150 density, 24 inches. So this hair has not been dyed, it has not been washed, it has not, the knots have not been bleached. It's fresh out the packaging, and that's how we're gonna install it today. Because I want to see what it looks like fresh out the box. I've never worn a color like this before, ever. So I'm excited to see what this color is going to be given on me. I was a little bit worried. I'm a little bit worried about it, but I want to try something new. I want to, you know, just step out of my comfort zone. So we're going to try and see what this hair looks like. So stick around while I install it. Oh. So this is the wig cap that they gave me. I've never used a wig cap like this before, if you guys can see it. It's very thin, I think. Like, it's almost see-through. It says for bald cap method. I've never used a wig cap like this before, so this is also something new. So let's see how it goes.
Oh, it kind of matches. No, it doesn't. I mean, yeah, it kind of matches my rose. So I just take it and I just kind of dab into it and then start bronzing. So I start on the forehead because I have a Megamind. Hello. And I just kind of use it on the pretty much the whole perimeter of my face, to be exact, because I use it more like bronzer rather than like common, because you don't want to have to try to like correct anything if it's not with like bronzer and stuff, because in your nose, you know, you don't want your nose looking crooked and all that. Don't want to do the under eyes. I took a nap today, y'all. So I'm working on my like higher. So I took a shower, took a nap, and I edited the vlog. It's gonna be going up at 7. I sent all the files up so I can make a thumbnail, my make the game, and I decided to do like my tags and my title and stuff. So yeah. Going up. But it's a whole nother bathroom. Why did you run all the way to my bathroom? It's a bathroom right here. You threw up.
Okay, guys, so
why? Because you ate too much stuff. What?
okay, sorry guys, I'm watching Lily now. So yeah, so this is what the hair looks like without baby hairs. So, and then like I would use makeup to conceal it, but you don't know, I'm about to go do the baby hairs because I love me some baby hairs. And you guys, I'm really not feeling this front center part, but it is what it is. I'm gonna see what I can do with it. I'm just really not feeling it. See, it's just not given, like, I don't know, center part like this. What do you guys think? I don't know. I'm more of a side part type of girl right now. Because I'm trying to make this work right now. I am not a a center part. Like, I'm not feeling the center part right now. Or maybe because there's no baby hairs too. It's kind of like, no, I like my baby hairs. I've pushed all the hair back. Like, if it was like this, then it would be given like a different type of look. Still not feeling it. I'm still not feeling that. Like, what? Like, what happened just now? Anyways, get this baby hairs in my head because you don't know. But focus on your fucking marriage. You're just fine. Look, you find a man for black cloud, marry yellow face, that black cloud man will make sense. Fucking. I should be giving and serving every motherfucking time. I should be serving every motherfucking time. Okay. Alright. guys, so I have let this dry. I put some mousse in it, some curl activated mousse, and I let it dry. So this is like, it's a little bit damp like here underneath, but these parts are like okay. So okay guys, so this is the finished look. Come through wig, come through color. I am actually feeling this color. I'm interested to see what it's gonna look like with makeup on, but I'm definitely feeling this color. Excuse me? Like, I thought it was gonna be brighter, but it's like, it's not, I don't know, maybe it's not like, I don't know, it's not giving too bright right now. Like, I don't know, I'm liking it. I don't know, I don't know, I kind of like it. I'm wondering if it's just because it's not in the sun. I'm like, they're gonna be like bright, but I'm like, I feel like it's like not even bright. Like, I kind of like it. But anyways, so pros and cons of this wig. Obviously, as I said, I like it. I like the fact that it's a 13x4 frontal, so I could get to like, you know, like have the front pushed back the way how I like it and everything. Cons, I realized it doesn't have a strap at the back, like, you know how sometimes it comes with like that band. It did not come with a band on it. This wig, by the way, once again, let me say, no bleaching. Like, this is the first time, and I don't even know if I've ever worn a wig without bleaching the knots. Like, I don't know, but yeah, no bleach knots, and it's just giving right now. I'm liking how this is looking. So I have a little straight hair. I really like how what this is giving right now. Like, yeah. But yeah, you guys, so yeah, so let me know in the comments what you guys think of this hair. Let me know what you think of this color on me, because I'm trying things, I'm trying new things, I'm stepping out my comfort zone, and yeah, I really like it though. I really, really like it. So let me know what you guys think of it. And on that note, I am tired, as you guys can see. So I am about to go to my bed. Definitely, I got my bed. I'm just gonna tie back up my hair and head on to sleep. I like this hair. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow in another vlog, because it's still Vlogmas, period. Okay, so until then, peace.